Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install VScode, that is Visual Studio Code on Kali Linux 2025.3, but the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. First verify whether we have the VScode comes as default application or not. See, we don't have Visual Studio Code, so open any web browser, then go to Visual Studio Code official website, that is code.visualstudio.com. Then click on download or download for linux.debian for the Kali Linux. Click on either of them, then click on this .debian package. 8 moment download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 108 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads, ls. See, here we have the Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then code, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Add Microsoft apt repository for Visual Studio Code. Select yes and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to application menu and search for Visual Studio Code. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. R, close it. On the terminal, just run code and hit enter. It will also open the Visual Studio Code editor. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay. Unless this file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed rm new code. Then press tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install Visual Studio Code latest version on Kali Linux 2025. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.